Alright, so I'm on the way to the gas station job. So I'm gonna give you a quick overview. So I need to clean all four sides of the three sides, front, left, and right of the building, and the concrete where the gas pumps are. I'm gonna be using sodium hydroxide. That's a caustic beads with a little bit of surfactant, some soap, some Dawn soap. I'm gonna mix approximately 20 ounces, however you want to choose, just like a cup worth, 4 of those per 5 gallons. Mix it up, and depending on how busy it is, I'm just gonna put it on straight and not downstream it, or I was gonna downstream it, but I decided, you know, this gas station hasn't been cleaned so before by professionally. They should just, you know, the owner, I think, anyway, I don't know what their process was, but so that's what I'm going to use. I'm sodium hydroxide, caustic beads. I'm going to have all the proper PPE, face mask, gloves, all the above, and I'll probably walk you through and show you quick what the job details are. And it's not too bad, but it's just the obstacles that, you know, you got to go through to do jobs like this. That's more of a public place. You got to be cautious. It's more time consuming and more detail oriented in the fact that you know, you got to watch every move because there's somebody around the corner at every moment. So I prayed about it, and everything will be all right one way or another. So catch you in the next clip. Alright guys, so it's pretty busy here. Probably should have came a little later, but it's alright, I got time. I'm not here to rush. I'm trying to get this job done right, and that's it. So we got this wall, a lot of electrical stuff I'm gonna just tape up there. Those lights I have to be very mindful of. This tank wasn't talked about, but if I could get it clean, I will. Front of the building here. Of course, the lights we got to be mindful of on this side of the building as well. And if I get time, like I said, it wasn't talked about, but I'll touch that up. And then of course we got the pumps. The canopy wasn't talked about, but once I see the results, there's potential for that as well. But yeah, all this concrete hasn't been cleaned properly in years. Just gonna wait for it to die down, filling up with water. So I made my little soft wash pump, bucket pump. Since, like I said, I'm going to be probably cleaning in sections, I won't be able to dump the whole 5-gallon bucket. I'm going to just put my mixture in there, and I'm just going to spray section by section, let it dwell, cone it off, and do it like that. Say, hey, I tripped on your hose, blah, 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 blah. We had warnings ahead of time, very well. But this is why you always got to keep tools. See this wheel? The bolt came out. Yeah, I don't have another bolt. I'll search, but I'm just gonna crank on it, tighten it up. Improvise. So I took one of the skirt bolts here and I just put that there. It's not coming off. My tank keeps running out of water. Obviously I got an 8 gallon a minute pressure washer and I got a 4 gallon a minute, but for this I'm not trying to go down to my 4 gallon a minute, and my only source of water is right here. One spigot, one little itty bitty spigot, and it's slow. When I mean it's slow, it's slow. Just got to get these gas pumps done, and once I get this tank filled up, it'll be done in no time. God willing, it will be good. All right, so what I'm gonna do, don't mind me, I got my mask. What I'm gonna do now is mix up my degreaser with my caustic beads. So you're gonna fill up the bucket with water, cold water. Then you're gonna fill up your bucket with cold water. Once you do that, then you're gonna take what I do. Take about 4 of these, not to the brim, but right where the logo is. Put 4 of those in there. Mix it up. Put a little surfactant, some Dawn soap, and that'll create the degreaser. And then put some surfactant in there. Make sure you use your PPE. This stuff gets wet, it gets hot. So please be mindful, do not get any on yourself. So I've got that mixed up. Sorry, you couldn't see any of that. So 5 scoops, surfactant, mix, and then now I'm gonna go cone off section of the pump over there, and I'm gonna make sure I spray the pumps down, and make sure that there's no pedestrians over there. Pre-treated, and I'm telling you, this stuff is strong. It's coming up great. There's gonna be a huge transformation. Huge transformation.